The world is changing. Technology is advancing at an unprecedented rate. Artificial intelligence, once a figment of science fiction, is now a tangible reality. AI is no longer limited to research labs and tech giants. It is rapidly permeating every facet of our lives, from the mundane to the extraordinary. One area where AI is making significant inroads is education, particularly in academic research and writing. The integration of AI into academia is not without its challenges. There are legitimate concerns about the ethical implications of AI. However, the potential benefits are too great to ignore. By embracing AI, we can unlock new frontiers of knowledge and understanding. AI has the potential to revolutionize the way we learn, discover, and innovate. The human mind is an exceptional instrument. It's capable of profound insights, creative leaps, and complex problem solving. But even the most brilliant minds are limited by time and the sheer volume of information available. This is where AI steps in, not as a replacement for human intellect, but as a powerful amplifier. Imagine AI as a tireless research assistant capable of sifting through mountains of data in a fraction of the time it would take a human. It can identify patterns, highlight anomalies, and surface relevant information that might otherwise go unnoticed. This frees up researchers to focus on what they do best, asking the right questions, forming hypotheses, and interpreting the results. Time is a precious commodity in research. The traditional research process, from literature review to data collection and analysis, can be agonizingly slow. AI has the potential to dramatically accelerate this process, enabling researchers to make discoveries at an unprecedented pace. Imagine an AI-powered literature review tool that can scan thousands of academic articles in minutes, summarizing key findings and identifying the most relevant studies. This would save researchers countless hours of manual searching and reading, allowing them to quickly grasp the current state of knowledge in their field. AI can also automate many of the repetitive and time-consuming tasks involved in data collection and analysis. This automation frees up researchers to focus on higher level tasks such as interpreting results and drawing conclusions. Section 3, breaking down barriers. Access to information and research resources is not always equitable. Language barriers, geographical location, and socio-economic factors can all create significant obstacles for researchers in certain parts of the world. AI has the potential to break down these barriers, democratizing access to knowledge and empowering a more diverse range of voices. AI-powered translation tools are becoming increasingly sophisticated, enabling researchers to access academic literature in multiple languages. This opens up a wealth of knowledge that might otherwise be inaccessible to researchers who are not fluent in certain languages. By breaking down barriers to access and collaboration, AI has the potential to level the playing field in academic research. Section 1, crafting clarity with AI. Writing is the lifeblood of academia. It's how researchers share their findings, engage in scholarly debate, and contribute to the ever-expanding body of human knowledge. But writing well is a skill that takes time and practice to develop. Even experienced researchers can struggle with clarity, conciseness, and adherence to academic style guidelines. AI writing assistants are emerging as valuable tools for researchers at all stages of their careers. These sophisticated algorithms can analyze text, identify areas for improvement, and suggest revisions that enhance clarity, grammar, and overall readability. Section 2, the end of writer's block. Every writer, from seasoned academics to aspiring novelists, knows the frustration of writer's block, that dreaded feeling when the words just won't come and the blank page seems to mock your every attempt to fill it. While AI can't replace the spark of human creativity, it can help overcome the initial hurdle of getting started. Some AI writing tools are designed to assist with brainstorming and idea generation by analyzing keywords and phrases related to a research topic. These tools can suggest potential research questions, identify relevant literature, and even generate outlines or first drafts. This can be particularly helpful for researchers who are just starting out or who are exploring new areas of inquiry. Section 3, the human touch remains. Despite the impressive capabilities of AI writing assistants, it's important to remember that technology is a tool. It's a means to an end, not an end in itself. The human element remains essential in academic writing and will likely always be so. AI can help us write with greater clarity, efficiency, and even creativity, but it cannot replicate the nuanced judgment, critical thinking, and ethical considerations that are fundamental to sound scholarship. It is the researcher who must ultimately decide which research questions to ask, which methodologies to employ, and how to interpret the results of their work. As AI writing tools become more sophisticated, it's crucial that researchers use them responsibly and ethically. Section 1, AI in action, real-world research. The impact of AI on academic research is not some distant future prospect. It's happening now across a multitude of disciplines, from unraveling the mysteries of the cosmos to combating life-threatening diseases. AI is proving to be an invaluable ally to researchers, pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. Consider the field of astronomy, where telescopes gather an unfathomable amount of data about the universe every night. Astronomers, even with teams of dedicated assistants, simply cannot analyze this data deluge manually. AI steps in to sift through this cosmic haystack, identifying patterns and anomalies that might point to the existence of new planets, distant galaxies, or even the elusive evidence of dark matter. In medicine, AI is playing an increasingly pivotal role in diagnosing diseases, developing new treatments, and personalizing patient care. Section 2, from data deluge to discoveries. One of the most significant challenges facing researchers today is the sheer volume of data being generated. We live in an age of big data, where information flows like a tsunami from sensors, satellites, social media, and countless other sources. This data deluge has the potential to unlock incredible discoveries, but only if we can make sense of it. This is where AI proves its mettle. AI algorithms excel at finding patterns in vast data sets. Patterns that would be impossible for humans to detect. For example, in climate science, AI is being used to analyze decades of weather data, identifying trends and predicting future climate patterns with increasing accuracy. The future of research is collaborative. Groundbreaking research often occurs at the intersection of disciplines. AI connects researchers globally, sharing data and ideas. Imagine an AI platform linking researchers across disciplines. AI-powered collaboration could lead to unexpected breakthroughs. AI breaks down language barriers, facilitating international collaboration. Real-time translation tools enable seamless communication. This interconnected ecosystem democratizes access to knowledge. Section 1, the dilemma of algorithmic bias. For all its promise, AI is not a silver bullet. Like any powerful tool, it can be misused, and its applications in academia raise important ethical considerations that we must address proactively. One of the most pressing concerns is the potential for algorithmic bias. AI algorithms are trained on massive data sets, and if these data sets reflect existing biases in society, the algorithms themselves can perpetuate and even amplify those biases. Addressing algorithmic bias requires a multi-pronged approach. The responsibility for addressing algorithmic bias lies not only with AI developers, but also with the researchers and institutions that use these tools. Section 2, the guardians of integrity. The rise of AI in academia raises concerns about academic integrity. As AI tools become more sophisticated, the line between assistance and plagiarism blurs. Clear guidelines and ethical frameworks are essential. Using AI to generate an entire paper is plagiarism, but using AI for grammar and style editing or to draft and then revise is a gray area. Where do we draw the line? Institutions must establish clear AI use policies. These should outline acceptable uses and provide guidance. Transparency is key. Students should disclose AI use. Fostering academic integrity requires understanding honesty and attribution and the ethical implications of using AI in their work. Section 3, shaping an ethical AI future. The integration of AI into academia is still in its early stages, and we have a unique opportunity to shape its trajectory. This requires a collaborative effort involving developers, researchers, educators, policymakers, and the public. Open dialogue and interdisciplinary collaboration are essential to developing ethical guidelines. We need to foster a culture of responsible innovation, integrating ethics into every stage of the AI lifecycle. Education and awareness are paramount. We must educate students and researchers about AI's capabilities, limitations, and ethical implications. By embracing a human-centered approach, we can harness AI's power to create a more equitable academic landscape. Section 1, the unfolding revolution. We stand at the precipice of a remarkable transformation in academia, fueled by the rapid advance of artificial intelligence. AI tools are becoming integrated into research and learning, changing how we explore knowledge. From astronomy data sets to the human genome, AI empowers researchers to delve deeper and uncover hidden patterns. AI in academia amplifies our intelligence and accelerates discovery. With AI, we can tackle grand challenges like climate change and disease. When this revolution, however, is not without its challenges. Ethical considerations like bias and transparency demand our attention. Section 2, navigating the ethical frontier. The power of AI lies in its ability to process information and adapt. This learning is only as good as the data it's fed. we risk creating AI systems that amplify societal biases. To navigate this frontier, we need fairness, transparency, and accountability. This requires collaboration beyond computer science to include ethicists, social scientists, policymakers, and the public. Education plays a crucial role in shaping an ethical AI future. The question is not whether AI will transform academia, it's how we will shape this transformation to benefit humanity. A cosmos of knowledge awaits. Standing on the shoulders of giants, we look out at a universe of knowledge, vaster and more awe-inspiring than ever before. AI offers unprecedented opportunities for exploration and discovery. Imagine cures for diseases found through AI-powered simulations. Picture classrooms with personalized learning plans created by AI tutors. Envision a global research community interconnected by AI-powered platforms. This is the future that beckons, a future where AI empowers us to push the boundaries of human ingenuity.